Okay, this right here is a pneumatic fuel pump. All right, so it senses the piston moving up and down, and actually fuel goes from the gas tank, gravity fed down around a long tube, and actually gets sucked up through this thing that pulsates, and it senses pressure from the piston going up and down, and then it pumps fuel back to the carburetor. So inside of this is a rubber diaphragm, and I'm not sure, I tried to split the case of this thing, but it does not want to come apart, and I really don't want to force it because I might damage the diaphragm in here if I do that. So it's not too terribly difficult to reinstall and connect, but so I'm just going to put this back together and hope for the best. But a lot of times I did want to take this apart before I tried to restart it, because the fuel, since it does go through here and your fuel system was so terribly contaminated, I just wanted to make sure that it was relatively in good shape. But considering the age of this thing, I can't guarantee that this is going to work. So I'm going to send you a link for one of these things. I think they're 20 bucks on Amazon, and if you wanted to drop ship it to me, we could do something like that. But I'm going to see if I can get this thing running tonight. Put this back on, reconnect the starter. I got that back together. Where did I set that down? Where's that starter at? Okay, yeah, I brought this. So I got this back together, cleaned it up inside, and so this is going to work much better, hopefully. It recoils all the way now. And so I just put this back on, hope for the best, and give it a shot. I'll let you know if I get it fired up tonight. But if I don't, or if it doesn't seem to want to run right, it could be this. And anyways, just letting you know.